Hello guys, so today I will show you animation rotation. So you can display the output. Okay, how to make use. So create new dot file. Name is animation animated rotation. Okay, create a stateful class. Name is a rotation. Return scaffold. In the app bar, title. In the title text, I will use a text widget to title display animation rotation. Style text style color is a white. Center title is a true. Background color is a deep orange accent. Copy this file and paste it in main.dart file. Run it. In the sometime the output will be display. Okay, so next is a work in body part. So in the body I will use a column widget. In the column I'll use children and animated rotation. Create a double turn. Double turn variable. Value will be 0.0 and duration will be 1 second. In the child I will use a Flutter logo. Size is a 100 and then size box height is a 20. Elevated button I will use. Child is a text and text is a rotation. Okay, the style elevated button style dot style form. Background color I will use a orange, set orange color, and foreground I will set white color. You can check the output. In the onPress method I will use a set state. In the set state run, sorry, mistake. The one logo divide by 4 time. So click on rotation button. The 4 time rotate the logo. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time and 4 time. Okay, thank you for watching this video.